guys, this is Kim of YugaTech. So a couple of weeks ago, Xiaomi revealed its latest flagship smartphone, the Mi Mix 3, in all its glory in Beijing. And now finally, we were able to test out the device for a while, and we're here to give you our initial thoughts about it. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. Okay, so I guess I have to say this. The Mix 3 has an uncanny resemblance with the OPPO Find X. Am I right? Or am I right? Not that it's a bad thing. I mean, just look at this gorgeous all-screen display with 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, and of course, this. Manually sliding the phones are a thing of the past, I know. But it's refreshing, very cool, and innovative to see this mechanism being applied to smartphones now. Unlike the Find X, where you'd only be able to use the mechanism once you unlock the phone to open the camera app, the Mix 3 automatically opens the camera app by default once you slide it. It could potentially cause some issues though, especially if you decide to slide it back and forth like we used to with slide-out keypads. It can be quite addicting. I can attest to that. Up front is a huge 6.4-inch 19.5 by 9 AMOLED display. Tucked underneath it are the phone's hidden 24-megapixel Sony IMX576 plus 2-megapixel hidden AI dual front cameras. We have the power lock button on the right, while the left side houses a button to activate Xiaomi's AI assistant, Xiao AI, which is like Xiaomi's Seik and Samsung's Bixby. Down below, there's a USB Type-C port that is sandwiched between the two audio grills. No audio jack here, unfortunately. Moving to the back, you get this really sexy glossy ceramic back, which we know is pretty fragile. So Xiaomi is including a free case in the retail box, like most companies do anyway. Here you will also see the dual 12-megapixel f1.8 plus 12-megapixel f2.4 AI dual rear cameras with LED flash and the fingerprint scanner. The Mix 3 feels okay in the hands. Despite its large size, it's sleek and doesn't come with that much heft. The sliding part seems pretty durable, but we've yet to fully test it, not to break it eventually. Aesthetics aside, this phone is packed with some really powerful internals. Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, up to a freaking 10GB of RAM, and up to 256GB of storage. It's also running on MIUI 10 based in Android 9.0 Pie. We get an average 3200 mAh battery with Quick Charge 4.0 Plus fast charging. Before you give this phone any flack about battery, there's a free 10 watts key wireless charger that comes in the box when you buy one. Other phone manufacturers? You might wanna, do the same? There are no specific details on local pricing and availability. However, the company said that the Mi Mix 3 will arrive in the Philippines before the year ends, with a local SRP close that of China's SRP. And there you have it. What do you guys think of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 3? Do you want one? Not that I'd give you one, but let us know in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, you know where the thumbs up button is. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to be notified of our future uploads. And visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Again, it's Kim, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!